Like the video and subscribe right now, and I'll show you a picture of a hot dog. Go. Ready? 3, 2, 1. How others will enjoy Cyberpunk 2077. How I will enjoy Cyberpunk 2077. They don't know I'm behind 24 pre-recorded lectures. When your parents call you acoustic, even though you are not a guitar. Me installs a Minecraft realism mod. The mobs. Me, a nation, makes a joke about Asian people. Some white girl. Shut up, Hitler. When you pause the YouTube vid to read the text, but then they give you time to read the text when you unpause. Therapist. Granny Trump can't hurt you. Granny Trump. A book. You say, what do I plug it into? Your mind. Gen X. Millennials. Gen Z. Baby boomers. British chess players going into the match knowing that their queen can't die. Me. Mum, can I have a PS5? Mum. No, we already have a PS5 at home. PS5 at home. Christmas cancelled. Santa shot down after violating Turkish airspace. The future is now. Old man. Me. I'm scared of Eminem. Therapist. This looks like a job for me. Me. Screaming. Shy people, we all know this technique. Cooks the meal a bit salty. The rat that controls Gordon Ramsay. Anger intensifies. My son finally came out the closet last night. I'm so worried. Are you kidding me? You should be supportive of that. Duck. I wonder how he untied himself. Men don't want Shreks. They just want to be loved for who they are. Pss, 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 pss. 14-year-old snakes. What happens when you poop in an elevator? What? You take that shit to another level. What people think the Ovid vaccine is gonna do? Chinese man spends $400,000 to buy a slaughterhouse and saves 2,000 dogs. Google Play. You don't have enough space. Me. Delete 2 apps. Google Play. You don't have enough space. Me. Wants the 2 apps back. Google Play. You don't have enough space. Me. My classmates on Instagram. My classmates on Zoom. Lawyer. My client is trapped inside a penny. Judge. What? Lawyer. He's innocent. Judge. You're going to jail with him. Poor people. Rich people. People who put fake X on mobile game ads. Can Shrek's doll cook your meals? Can Shrek's doll have your kids? Can Shrek's doll wash your clothes? Can Shrek's doll make your home? Can you? Searching all my tabs for the right answer during finals be like. What girls think men do in the shower? Fap fap. Yes. What men really do in the shower. Where the hell am I going with my life? White women whenever a new serial killer documentary comes out. Porn sites. There are hot singles in your area. My area. Those criminals should stop dumping bodies in front of my cabin. I'm running out of condoms. When you're watching a movie with the family and a Shrek scene comes on. When you bark because you sense danger, but your owner just shouts, "Shut the duck up." Girls when a guy's tall. Girls when a guy's 0.001 nanometers below average height. Pathetic. Teacher, the assignment can be about anything you want. Me. Glory hole etiquette. When the baby looks like your husband and not one of your coworkers. When you have to man up and finally have Shreks with your sugar daddy. No one. People in online battle games when Christmas is near. when you ask your cellmate what he's in for, and he replies just the Shreks. Me walking out of the character edit screen in Cyberpunk. My old work partner created this monstrosity. Been watching more animated movies lately, and I go apeshit every time the animal designs are like this. Male design. Female design. Huh, you lost, now come cuddle with me. Me. Am I the only one who puts seasoning on butter and eats it like ice cream? A former space security official for Israel says that the US and Israeli governments have been in contact with a galactic federation of aliens. Earth, can we join the Galactic Federation? The Galactic Federation. Haven't seen any post from my friend for a while. Let's share. Babe, I'm pregnant. And you're the father. Panic. Seriously babe. It's prank, ha 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 ha. Happy April Fool's Day babe. Calm. You mean you're not pregnant? I mean you're not the father. Panic. My crush. Falls in love with someone else. Gets married and has kids. Me. Are you seriously trying to make me jealous? Featured comment. Captain Hugo. Me and my friends. Yo, wanna hang out after school? Kid named out. Nervously sweating. If you want to be featured in the next video, use hashtag Dankness. Falling asleep like a normal person. Falling asleep creating a romantic scene with your non-existent boyfriend/girlfriend in your head. Teacher uses Zoom. Teacher uses Google Meets. Teacher uses Discord. Teacher uses Twitch. Speed limit, 69. Just kidding, 35. Well, I just wanna say that I'm a huge fan. When it's 3 AM, but you tryna squeeze in one more episode. Applying for jobs in the middle of a pandemic. Before of it, I feel pretty sick. Can I head home? You look fine. You can finish your work. During of it, tiny sneeze. Get you and your shit the duck away from me. 18 people died in this house. 4 were murdered with an axe and 7 killed themselves. A family in horror movies. I can't wait to go into the basement alone. Such peace. Our first neighbor is 30 kilometers away. Welcome to our new home. I hope there are abandoned dolls in the attic. Meow. Make a plane. Make a boat. Soviet Union. When the class average is 52% and you got a 52.5%, there seems to be no signs of intelligent life anywhere. Trying to impress the cool kids. Every day I walk my dog, he finds the biggest stick possible to bring as a gift/sacrifice for the big dogs. Galactic Federation coming to Earth. Humans. Earth. When you guessed the right answer to the only question the smart kid got wrong on the test, all your smarts are no match for dumb luck. My older cousin passing the most difficult mission of the game first try. 6-year-old me. Mobile game. User. Turns off Wi-Fi. You must be connected to play this game. Deletes app. Friend, I had a dream that I finally asked my crush out. My dreams. Season 1 Thomas, 1984. Season 25, 2021. Look how they massacred my boy. When at the work meeting they say, more than a company, we are a family. 7-year-old me telling my mom this will be the last toy I ever ask for. He died of natural causes. You pushed him off a roof. Gravity is natural, isn't it? 99-year-old Prince Philip. 94-year-old Queen Elizabeth. Cannibals when they are out of canned food. COVID-19 appears. Scientists. Celebrities. My friend loses his job, divorced by his wife, is in crippling debt. Me, an expert in social interaction. That's rough, buddy. His health bar is enormous. There's nothing wrong with white people making black video game character. 8-year-old me, when I mix apple juice with orange juice. Finally, potion of healing. December 31st, 2020, 11:59. December 32nd, 2020, 12 o'clock. One of my Twitch subs bought me the PS5 and 33090s. It smells like simp in here. Are you sure you want to exist? Maybe I don't want to exist. The Nazis creating a nearly unbreakable encryption device. The Nazis putting Heil Hitler at the end of every single message, making it easy for the Allies to crack the code. Men of Reddit, what are some mistakes women make during Shreks? Well, if she's in bed with me, I can already tell you her first mistake. Hoof size. Large. Snails. Frogs. The French. 2020 is almost over. It's the tutorial for 2021. My mom, you're an adult, act like one. Me, it's hot in here. Opens window. Other crewmates on the submarine. When mom peeks in to check if you're asleep at night and leaves again. A high-class restaurant mess up slightly. Manager, why do I hear a boss music? FBI, me, a soap that kills 100% of the bacterias. Me, I want an alligator. Mum, we have an alligator at home. The alligator at home. My mom yelling at me for not finishing my chocolate milk, and how kids in Africa are starving. 10-year-old me who has seen enough National Geographic documentaries to know they have ponds of chocolate milk a few miles from their village. I love how cartoons around the world teach children to bond with animals. USA, Russia, Belgium, Japan. Modern music. Classic rock. 1700s sea shanties. How people think having a dog is. How it actually is. How I sleep knowing my opinion offended someone on the internet. A big nose is not an excuse for no mask. I mean, I still wear underwear. It's beautiful. I've looked at this for 5 hours now. Video games were created in 1958. Mothers in 1957 when her kids got bad grades. Farms. 8 years old me when I had to finish my vegetables. For Africa. I live in Japan, but the J is silent. My parents at age 18. You're the best thing in my life. You too. Me at age 18. Why aren't you real? The 4 horsemen of YouTube comments. Behold, the cheese sphere. Some random girl in our school winks at me. Virgin me. Drag and drop confusion. I have no idea what you want me to do. Innocent frogs. Biology students. Me asking for his daughter's OnlyFans. The dumb kid asking his dick size. The professor who said ask me anything. My parents at age 23. Let's have a baby. Yes. Me at age 23. It can fry literally anything. When you drop your phone, try to catch it with your foot and smash it in the wall. In terms of phone, we have no phone. Waiter, gets my order on. Waiter, is everything okay? Me, an introvert. Girls, he's gotta be 6'3", chiseled abs and rich. Guys, I'd prefer if she wasn't obese. Girls, shut up, Hitler. When it's been 5 minutes and the teacher still hasn't shown up on Zoom class. Any idea of what the protocol is here? You've been visited by the banana doggo. You will be blessed with double bananas, but only if you comment. Banana doggo is the true king. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe for more daily videos.